Friends, as you had seen yesterday that I had uploaded fast forward video because it became longer, so today I had just solved the question and only I will be describing the solved question. So without doing it, just go on the question. Let's see. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using these digits. Actually the questions are these: A, B, C, D, 2, 3, 0 and 7. That means we have to make the greatest numbers from this digit 2, 3, 0 and 7 and a smallest number with the same digit. So as you can see, I had solved these from here. This is the answer. So I had written greatest is equal to 7320. For your betterment, even you can write greatest number to just adjust more question in one board. I had just written only insert greatest. Greatest is 7320 and smallest is 2037. What we have to think while writing the greatest and smallest? Already in previous note I had explained you that while writing the greatest you have to take from the biggest number to the smallest number, and in a smallest you have to write from the smallest number to the biggest number. But think that 0 should not be written at the first. It is a smallest, but at front when 0 is written, it doesn't has got any value. If I write 0 front, then it will become 237, a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So 0 will be after any other smallest digit while writing the smallest number. These things you have to keep in your brain. Let's see another question, that is 5, 5, 7 and 6. Greatest number will become 7655. You can see from greatest to smallest I am writing 7655, and a smallest number will become 5567. Here also from small to great. In same way 2, 4, 8, 9, the greatest number will become 9842 and the smallest number will become 2489. In same way 1300, greatest number will become 3100, that means 3100, and the smallest number will become 1003. As you can see, if the number repeats, that doesn't means there comes the same number. So how we will be adjusting them? If you smallest, then keep it. Just you can see 0. I had kept in middle, and here also 0 at last, twice, then twice. If repeating, then no problem. In same way you can make the greatest and the smallest number. Now let's see question number 9. Make any 5 4-digit numbers using 6, 4, 0 and 7. Arrange them in descending order and ascending order. So you have to make at first 5 4-digit numbers. So you can see, and that should be made from 6, 4, 0 and 7. So you can see in solution I have written at first 5 4-digit numbers made from these digits. I have written 6407, that means 6407, 4076, 6074, 7064, 7406. If you will see, in all the numbers the digits are same, that is 6407. Now we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. So from here I will see the biggest number and I will write it at first. So 7406 is biggest from over here. You can see I had also discussed about how to compare the biggest and the smallest. Here we will be watching the greatest digit, and that is 1000, and in 1000 there is 2, 7000, 7000, but here it is 400. So this becomes bigger, and there is in a place of 100 0, so that becomes smaller. So I had written at first 7406 and then after 7064. Then when you will see these two are 6000, 6000, but in 100 place there is 400, so this is bigger. Then after we had written 6407, and then the smaller one, that is 6074, and the last, the smallest one, that is 4076. In ascending order, just opposite of it, that is from smaller to bigger. So smaller is 4076, just opposite of this 4076, then after 6074, then after 6407, that means 6407, 7064, 7406. So this is the way how to make make numbers from the given digits. As you can see, I had made 5 because here in question it has been said only 5. Even we can make more digits from here, not only 5, there can be made more further digit. Like here I have written only 4076, 47, 106 can be also there. So more digits can be formed, but here it has been said 5, so we had made only 5 digits. Now we will move towards the last question of our warm-up exercise. Yes, with this question the warm-up exercise finishes, and we will move further to notes and then after other coming exercise. So you can see the last question, question number 10. Write the next 3 numbers. You have to write next 3 numbers. Below the question is there counting by hundreds. That means we have to increase hundreds. Yes, here it has not been said. Counting by 100 means 100 it should be increased. So with that, what I had done, 6425, 100 increase I had. Counting by 100 means 100 more we will go, and in place of 100 1 will be increased, that is 6525. Again 6625, and then after 6725. Here counting means adding that. You have to understand, when we go on counting like 100, 200, 300, in same way when we are counting by hundreds, that means we have to increase 100 in each numbers. We can see in question number 2, that is 1289. So in place of 100, 2 is there, so that will be increased 3, 1389. Then after again it will be increased by 1, that is 1489, and again 100 place will be increased by 1, that is 1589. If you will see the last third question, that is 4205, 200 is there, so that will be increased by 1, 4305. Again this 100 place will be increased by 1, 4405, and again 400, that means 100 digit will be increased by 1, so it will become 4505. Now we will move the next question of the same 10 number question, that is counting by thousands. That means here we had increased 100, here we will be increasing 1000. So you can see here 1234, in 1000 place there is 1, so next number will become 1 more, that is 2234. Again next number will become 1 more in 1000 place, 2 will increase to 3, 3234. Others digit we don't have to disturb. You can see over here also we had not disturbed other digits, only we are adding 1 to 100 digit. Here also we will be adding only 1 to 1000 digit, and other digit will remain same. You can see after 3234, again 1 digit is added to 1000, that means it became 4234. And after another question, that is 4986. Here also in 1000 digit we will add 1, it will become 5986. Again in this 5 we will be adding 1, then it will become 6986, and again in 1000 place we will add 1, then it will become 7986. And the last question in thousands is 6000. Here you can see in 1000 place there is 6, so we had increased 1 and it became 7000. Again we had increased 1 and it became 8000, and again we had increased 1 and it became 9000. So that's all for today. Hope this video became smaller and you will understand it properly, and you will copy these all in your copy and maintain the copy. Next time I will be explaining some notes before solving the exercise. So thank you for this day.